There is a new law coming up in the real estate field, and if you're thinking about working with a real estate agent, there are a few things you should know about it. Hello, my name is Sumati Makhija and I am your realtor and guide in the world of real estate. I'm talking about the new law RECO Information Guide. RECO stands for Real Estate Council of Ontario. In Ontario, agents have to be registered, which means they have completed the necessary education and have insurance to protect you. Real estate agents are super helpful because they provide valuable information advice and guidance during the buying or selling process. Plus, as a client, you'll benefit from the duties the brokerage and the agent owes to you. Just remember, being a client also comes with some responsibility. First point, know the risk of representing yourself. Representing yourself in real estate transaction can be risky if you don't have the knowledge and expertise. The other party, whether it's a seller or buyer, will likely have the help of an experienced real estate agent. It's recommended by RECO to seek independent professional advice before proceeding as a self-represented party. Remember, the real estate agent works for the other party in the transaction and has a legal obligation to act in their best interest. So it's important to be aware of that dynamics as well. Moving on to the next point, signing a contract with a real estate brokerage. When you decide to become a client of a real estate brokerage, you will sign a representation agreement with them. It's basically a contract that outlines the services and representation you will receive from the brokerage. Not to sign the agreement, the real estate agent won't be able to provide you the services like showing home. The agreement should clearly describe the duties owed to you, the services you will receive, the rights and responsibilities, the payment terms, and how long the agreement will last. It's important to note that the services and payment amounts are decided between you and the brokerage, not any government authority or real estate association. Also, the expiry date of the agreement should be clearly stated on the first page. Now, the next point is understanding the multiple representation. Multiple representation in real estate occurs when a designated representative or brokerage represents more than one client with competing interest in the same transaction. What does that mean? There are two scenarios: brokerage representation and designated representation. Let's understand brokerage representation. The brokerage represents both the buyers and the sellers or multiple competing buyers, even if they have different real estate agents. On the other hand, in designated representation, the same real estate agent represents both the buyer and the seller or multiple competing buyers. However, multiple representation can only happen if all clients involved agree to it. It's important to seek independent professional advice, like from a real estate lawyer, before proceeding. Before agreeing to multiple representation, make sure you understand how the duties, services, and payment may change. And remember, if you don't agree, the brokerage or designated representative cannot proceed with multiple representation. Now, this is very important, how to make a complaint. If you have a complaint about a real estate agent or the services provided under your representation agreement, the first step is to contact your brokerage. They should be able to mediate or resolve the issue. You can find the name and contact information of the broker of record by searching for your brokerage in RECO's public register. It's very important to note that the brokerage cannot ask you to sign an agreement that forces you to withdraw a complaint or prevents you from making one. If the issue isn't resolved with the brokerage, you can file a complaint with RECO. Just visit the complaint section on RECO website to learn more about the process and how to file your complaint. RECO will review the issue and determine the next steps. I hope this video will help you to make an informed decision and give you an idea about the new law of RECO. Thank you for watching the video, and if you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more insightful content about real estate world.